Hey Arjun, how are you, man?
How are you? I'm fine, yeah.
How's your company going?
Sit.
Long time.
Yeah, it's great, yeah.
What are you doing, man?
Oh, I'm studying about the World Economic Pyramid.
What's that?
Now, this is a classification of the world market on terms of the per capita income. This is at the top of the pyramid is the mature market, wherein people have a per capita income of more than $20,000. Next is the emerging market, wherein people have a per capita income of $1,500 to $20,000. And the bottom of the pyramid, wherein people have an income of less than $1,500 per annum. So I've been given the responsibility of devising a strategy to cater to the bottom of the pyramid.
Why is the specific focus on the bottom of the pyramid?
See, basically our market share is high in this part, wherein we have a 60% market share in the market, which caters to a population of 0.75 billion, and we have 35% market share in the market which caters to 1.75 billion population. But in the biggest share of the market, wherein 4 billion or 60% of the world population is there, we have a market share of only 5%. So this is a huge untapped area wherein we need to get in so as to get a long-term sustainability for the company.
What are the challenges, you can say, of not getting into this market?
See, this is the largest and the poorest socio-economic category of the world, and the issues are plenty in this, wherein there is a huge communication misgap, there is information poverty in this area, and there is a huge cash flow problems.
If you look at the Ansoff matrix, so you have an existing product and you want to
Yes.
tap the potential in the new market.
Yes.
So I think you can use strategies like product redesign, catering it to that market. And if you slightly devise your pricing strategies, and if you improve your communication channels, so that the touch points will improve.
We need to look into those issues.
कौन बड़ पैकेट नंबर में करते
10 टंकिया नहीं 10 टंकिया 5 टंकिया 10 टंकिया 5 टंकिया এইটা তো অধিক লোকଙ୍କ ଅଧିକ
নিলামটা 10 টঙ্কিয়া বহুত সেলিং
10 ଟଙ୍କା
अच्छा तार बड़ पैकेट की
ତାର ବଡ଼ ପ୍ରକାର ମାନେ କିଏ ନା ଜଣେ ଆସିଲେ ନେଇଗଲା ସମୁଦ୍ର ନାହିଁ
ये जो एरिया में देखिए तो सेठी माने आपनकर मोस्ट ऑफ द पॉपुलेशन एठी आपनकर माने बिलो पॉवर्टी लाइन है सेठी माने जंदे आपन नोकिया फोन रखुଛନ୍ତି लाभ भी रखुଛନ୍ତି तो समस्त दाम तो अलग अलग होछि तो लोक माने कोटा होछि सोने नोकिया माने ब्रांड हिसाब से जो
ସૌର ଲୋକ ଖୋଜୁଛନ୍ତି ଲୋକ ସାମସଙ୍ଗ ଖୋଜୁଛନ୍ତି କିନ୍ତୁ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଲୋକ ଯେହେତୁ ସପ୍ତାହ ଉପରେ ବି କମ୍ପାନୀ ଉପରେ ବି ସପ୍ତାହ ୱାରେଣ୍ଟି ଯୋଉଟା ମିଳେ
Surendra Nayak is trying to build out sports instruments, equipments which are completely innovative and something like a fob stick. So this is one of his innovations. To do is use this space as the marketing space. Now here is where he's going to brand people. मैं चाह रही थी कि आपने कैसे खुद बॉटम ऑफ पिरामिड के बारे में सोचा, कैसे आपने सोचा कि कम्युनिकेशन जो है सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ है.
ये हमारा यहाँ जो है उड़ीसा में हम फील कर रहा हूँ प्रॉब्लम है कम्युनिकेशन का. खाली उड़ीसा नहीं ऑल ओवर इंडिया, लेकिन तो मेट्रोपॉलिटन सिटी में क्या है कि वहाँ पे काफ़ी इन्फॉर्मेशन मिल जाता है. यहाँ जो है इन्फॉर्मेशन तो है ही नहीं. ये इन्फॉर्मेशन जो हम लोग क्या है कि वो ओरल पब्लिसिटी. आपका बात मैं दूसरे को बता रहा हूँ, दूसरे का बात तो ओरल जितना स्पीडअप होता है, ओरल मैंने माउथ पब्लिसिटी जिसको बोलते हैं, वो जितना स्प्रेडअप होता है वो कोई मीडिया वो उतना नहीं पता मैंने.
और इस एरिया में जहाँ बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरनेट का इस्तेमाल नहीं करते हैं लोग, तो वहाँ तो और भी ज़्यादा इसी पे लोग डिपेंड
करते हैं. एकदम रूरल बेल्ट में वहाँ जाके कोई मैंने क्या कि
गूगल थोड़ा
हर आदमी के पास ना लैपटॉप है ना इंटरनेट है.
Hey, how was the interview, man?
It was a very different interview.
So what was it all about?
It was about tackling with product innovation at the bottom of the pyramid.
And did you face any problems in doing that?
I didn't face any problems per se because I've recently read about a case about Britannia. You see this rusk? So if you dip this in tea, so still that crunchiness factor is still there. But if you dip this biscuit, it's going down. So this might look like a cliched simple example, but this is what a Britannia adopted. They have identified the bottom of the pyramid customers and what they required. They wanted that crunchiness factor to be there in spite of it being dipped into your tea or coffee or milk. So what they have done is they have identified the customer requirements and they have innovated their product. It was then they took it to the urban markets and the semi-urban markets. So there was a perfect fit of premium as well as a mass market. That is called mass beer.